If you're watching this video, it is not by coincidence. Definitely, you really want to learn hypnosis. You want to attend an offline hypnosis workshop. Hi, I'm Magic Leo. I'm an international hypnosis mentor, and it's been 30 years I'm practicing hypnosis, and it's been 20 years I'm teaching hypnosis. I have students around the globe in US, Canada, Europe, Australia, India, Dubai, and many other countries. I'm conducting a 2 days practical hypnosis offline workshop in which I'll teach you how to hypnotize a very good subject within 3 to 30 seconds. You will learn how to access deeper level of subconscious mind. You will learn how to use traditional and modern hypnosis techniques to hypnotize yourself and others. You will learn how to instantly create effective hypnotic suggestions to get rid of any mind-related problems. I'll teach you what is the core reason of your fear, phobia, anxiety, anger, bad habits, limiting beliefs, or any other negative emotions. You will learn how to get rid of all this within no time. You will also learn how to empower yourself with courage, confidence, calmness, solution-oriented mindset, leadership quality, or any other positive quality you want to develop in yourself. You will learn how you can make your hypnotic suggestion work even after the hypnosis session is over. The best part of joining a 2 days practical hypnosis offline workshop is before the workshop ends, you must have already hypnotized 3 to 5 other participants. You will go home as a confident hypnotist. You don't have to trust me. Watch the videos of my participants hypnotizing others. Listen to their reviews. If you really want to learn hypnosis, join our 2 days practical hypnosis offline workshop. Are you into any profession? Are you into any business? Learn hypnosis. You can make your profession and business better and better day by day. If you are a healer, no matter what modality you are practicing, learn hypnosis. You can make your healing 10x faster and effective. We take only 20 participants so that we can give proper attention to you and others. Seats gets filled very fast. So click the link below now. Book your seats before it's too late. See you in the workshop.